Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have been looking for a great cover to go on the back seat here for a road trip that we're doing soon, and my dog is so comfortable on this. You have to check this out. This is from ROUWINNE. Some of my favorite features is the compact size when folded away. This was easy to pull out of the case and put together. This makes your entire back seat extended so your large dog can fit comfortably. My dog is an American Bulldog. She's 90 pounds, so sitting on the seat without the extender is just not comfortable, not to mention she doesn't even fit on the seat. So we tested this out. We took it on a 9-hour road trip. It worked out really well. It's made from durable, water-resistant fabric. It's easy to clean, padded foam, and it really made for a cozy space for Athena to rest and sleep. The extender fills the gap between the front and back seats. It creates a stable platform that prevents your dog from falling into the footwell. It includes adjustable straps and buckles to securely attach it to the back seat, ensuring it stays in place even during sudden stops or turns. It has built-in storage for toys and leashes, and overall a really practical and well-designed product. And that is our point of view.